फ्रेंड्स वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल जॉब सर्च गुरु फॉर यू। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लेके आऊँ जॉब्स रिलेटेड टू पावर बीआई डेवलपर रोल, और इफ यू आर एक्टिवली सर्चिंग फॉर अ जॉब चेंज एज अ बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस एनालिस्ट एंड इफ यू आर अ फ्रेशर और यू हैव एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ 1 to 3 years देन यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर दीज जॉब पोस्ट। इस वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे और देखेंगे कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किन लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं, व्हाट आर द नेम ऑफ द कंपनी, सैलरी दीज कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग, रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज एंड टेक्निकल स्किल्स दीज कंपनीज आर लुकिंग फॉर एंड हाउ वी कैन अप्लाई फॉर दीज जॉब पोस्ट। और अगर आप चाहते हैं आपको डेली बेसिस पे ऐसे जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते रहे रिलेटेड टू डेटा साइंस, डेटा एनालिटिक्स, पावर बीआई, सीक्वल और पाइथन डेवलपर रोल, देन डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल राइट अवे, फॉलो माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज एंड माय फेसबुक पेज एज वेल। और जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करेंगे उन सभी जॉब्स के एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स आपको मैं प्रोवाइड करूंगा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे, डू चेक दैट। और अगर आप मुझसे कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं तो मेरी ईमेल आईडी मेंशन है डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, या फिर आप मुझे डायरेक्टली मैसेज भी कर सकते हैं मेरे इंस्टाग्राम आईडी पे और फेसबुक आईडी पे भी। आप बढ़ते हैं जॉब की तरफ और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, कैसे आप इन जॉब्स के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। और अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आता है, जॉब्स आपके लिए हेल्पफुल हैं, देन डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द लाइक बटन एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो टू योर नीडी फ्रेंड्स एज वेल। अब रिव्यू करते हैं आज की जॉब्स। First company in the list is S&P Global, hiring for business intelligence developer, experience 2 to 4 years, job locations in Hyderabad and Ahmedabad. Salary would be 5 to 9 lakhs per annum, that's estimated, and education bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering or related field. Job description: develop eye-catching, impactful dashboards and reports that tell the story of commodity trends, prices, and global market dynamics. Bring data to life for stakeholders across the company, including executive teams, analysts, and developers, by helping to create visually compelling and interactive reporting tools. Mentor and train users on dashboard uses for efficient utilization of insights. Demonstrate strong analytical skills to swiftly grasp business needs and translate them into actionable insights, and also collaborate with the stakeholders to define key metrics and KPIs and contribute to data-driven decisions that impact the organization's direction. Technical skills for the job role: Microsoft Power BI, Tableau experience mandatory, Power Query, modeling, DAX relationships and security. SQL query language mandatory, knowledge of Python will be an added advantage. Data analysis mandatory, prior experience knowledge with Fabric, Snowflake is a huge plus but not mandatory. And strong analytical skills, prior experience working on big data analytics projects, that would be an added advantage. And if you think that you are a right fit for the job, you can apply by clicking on this link, and this link would be available in the description box of this video. Next company in the list is NEENOPAL, hiring for BI developer, experience 0 to 5 years, job locations in Bangalore, salary would be competitive, education bachelor's degree in computer science, IT or related field. Roles and responsibilities: we are looking for a BI developer to provide excellent customer service to our clients by assisting with implementing solutions, maintaining and supporting and assigned applications. In this role, you should have a background in data and business analysis. You should be an analytical and excellent communicator. If you also have business acumen and problem solving aptitude, that would be we would like to meet you. Please note that in a startup environment, you must be willing to pull up your sleeves and do some heavy lifting to get product or service off the ground. So this is a startup company, so you can apply for this job opportunity if you have experience of like 5 years, or if you are a fresher, then also you can apply for this job post. Required skills for the job role: maintain BI models to design, develop, and generate both standard reports and functional dashboards based on business requirements. Bring business and information technology together by understanding the needs and limitations of both. Work to build validation, and collaborate with subject matter experts to design and provide data outputs. Also, data warehousing designs fundamentals, manage new report generation and report enhancement based on the change request, and experience in data warehouse design. And this is the link available in the description box to apply. Next company in the list is MINDBODY, hiring for BI developer, experience 2 to 3 years, job locations in Pune, salary would be 5 to 12 lakhs per annum, education bachelor's degree computer science, software engineering or related discipline preferred. And about the role: develop and maintain new and existing Power BI reporting, develop and maintain Power Apps for the business, work with SQL databases to create new tables and views along with querying existing data. Also participate in user acceptance testing for new enhancements, partner with business and units to develop enhancements to better support the business, and responsible for maintaining process documentation and technical specs based on changing IT landscapes and business requirements. Required skills: associate's degree, college diploma required, bachelor's degree in computer science, software engineering or related discipline preferred. If you have license certifications in Power BI or Tableau, that would be preferred. 2 to 4 years of experience in BI development or coding with SQL. 2 to 4 years programming background knowledge, SQL, Python, DAX, R or M. Intermediate expert knowledge of Access and Excel, which include pivot tables, VLOOKUPs, complex logic statement, VBA knowledge, complex queries or macros, and decision-making skills along with strong oral, written, and interpersonal skills. So if you have these required skills, you are also comfortable with roles and responsibilities. You can apply for this job post by clicking on this link, and this link you'll be getting in the description box of this video. In the list is INDUSNET, hiring for Power BI developer, experience 1 to 3 years. Job locations in Gurgaon and Kolkata. Education bachelor's degree in computer science or BTech. Pay scale would be 4 to 7 lakhs per annum. That's estimated. Key responsibilities: translating ambiguous business needs into clear technical requirements for impactful data projects, collaborating across teams and driving user adoption through targeted communication. Business or customer service: demonstrated a customer-centric approach, experience in developing BRDs, PRD, design docs, code reviews, etc. And manage multiple projects concurrently under deadlines in a fast-paced environment. Technical skills: proven experience as a Power BI developer or in a similar role, experience with data modeling, ETL processes, and data warehousing. Familiarity with SQL and other data querying languages, also proficiency in Microsoft Power BI, including Power Query and DAX. Experience with other BI tools like Tableau, Click would be a plus. So if you have minimum experience of 1 year and you are searching any job in Gurgaon or Kolkata location as a Power BI developer, you can apply for this job post. And this is the link available in the description box of this video to apply. Next company in the list is SENWEL Group, hiring for Power BI developer, experience 1 to 3 years, job locations in Mumbai, education degree in computer science, data analytics or related field. Salary will be discussed at the time of interview. Key responsibilities for the job role: perform activities for the maintenance of all Power BI reports, dashboards for DHS delivery, which includes but not limited to data maintenance, troubleshooting, bug fixes, and user administration. Acquire data from different sources and design and develop visually appealing Power BI reports with accurate data by collaborating with data engineers and ensuring data security and compliance. Collaborate with IT team to build the future environment to enable the business Power BI community. Also work closely with various stakeholders, including global and area delivery leaders. Ensure the accuracy and reliability of the data presented in the dashboards and reports. This invoices validating the data and implementing quality checks. Also create customer visualizations using R and Python, design interactive maps with spatial data. Required skills: excellent data visualization skills with an eye for detail with a strong focus on usability and user experience. SQL query, reporting development, Power Query. And how we can apply for the job post? This is the link available in the description box of this video to apply. Let's move to the sixth job. Company name is Betsol, hiring for Power BI developer, experience 2 to 4 years, job locations in Bangalore, education bachelor's degree in computer science, stats or related field. Salary would be 5 to 11 lakhs per annum. That's estimated. Key responsibilities: understanding of databases, architecture, security and deployment strategies, data components development using SQL Server, T-SQL, SQL stored procedures, and views, SSIS and SQL agent jobs. Developing cubes using SSAS models and querying data using Excel and Power View. Also expertise in creation and deployment of reports using SQL Server reporting services. Power BI that represent different findings and insights from the data using interactive charts and maps. Create reports that provide a consolidated view of the different sources. Also publish it for Excel to take a snapshot from insights in Excel like pivot table, charts and ranges and pin them to dashboards in Power BI. So this is about what your roles and responsibilities in this specific job for Betsol company. Technical skills: Power BI reporting development and SQL, ability to develop customer visualizations and needs by wireframes. Also building analysis services, reporting models, ability to develop and utilize DAX queries in Power BI desktop. Knowledge of PBA components, Power BI query, Power Pivot, Power View, Power BI desktop, Power BI website and Power BI mobile apps. So if you have these technical skills, you are also good to go with key responsibilities and job location. You can apply for this job post by clicking on this link, and this link will be available in the description box of this video. Seventh company in the list is Genpact, hiring for Power BI developer, experience 1 to 3 years, and hiring for Noida, Gurgaon and Jaipur location. Education bachelor's degree, salary as per industry standards. So if you have a minimum of 1 year of experience as a Power BI developer, you can apply for this job post. Key responsibilities: understanding and executing projects, collaborate with the client's teams directly to estimate project efforts and help them execute projects with all deliverables. Should stay up to date with latest technologies and have basic understanding of which options are better. Also, continuous communication with the teams to understand the core project requirements as per the problem statement should deliver effective presentation at the end of the project. Weekly meeting, participate in weekly project meetings to deliver the project on time by providing feedback and status reports. Also should participate and also proactively conduct on the job training and knowledge transfer sessions that help operations teams in simplifying workflows. Required skills, communication skills, excellent verbal and written communication skills, strong understanding of standard processes and the ability to explain them clearly, ability to identify and raise concerns when needed, and minimum of 1 year of experience in entry-level developer role. So if you have minimum 1 year of experience and you're looking to start your career as a Power BI developer, you can apply for this job post by clicking on this link, and this link you'll be getting in the description box of this video. Next company list is NEENOPAL, hiring for junior BI developer, experience 1 to 3 years, job locations in Mumbai, education Bachelor of Engineering in IT, Master in Computer Science or related field. Salary would be 4 to 6 lakhs per annum estimated. Key responsibilities: assist in the development and maintenance of BI reports and dashboards, write SQL queries to extract, manipulate and analyze data, collaborate with senior developers and business stakeholders to understand data needs, troubleshoot BI tools and resolve data related issues, and support data cleansing and validation efforts. Key skills: basic knowledge of SQL, data warehousing and ETL processes, familiarity with BI tools such as Power BI, ETL, Tableau or QLIQ, understanding of databases concepts and data modeling, proficiency in Excel and data visualization techniques, analytical and problem solving skills, also reporting tools, SSRS, SQL Server, reporting services. And you also need to be proactive problem solver with a continuous learning mindset. So if you have these required skills, technical and softer skills, you are also comfortable with roles and responsibilities, job location, you can apply for this job post by visiting this link, and this link you'll be getting in the description box of this video. 9 company list is JK Tech, hiring for Power BI developer, experience 2 to 4 years, job locations in Noida, Bengaluru, education BE, BTech in computer statistics, economics, engineering or insurance. Salary would be as per industry standards. Roles and responsibilities: design, develop and maintain ETL workflows using SSIS for data integration and transformation, write efficient and optimized SQL queries including stored procedures, stored functions and views for data analysis and reporting, collaborate with stakeholders to gather and analyze data requirements, ensuring robust solutions with align with business objectives, and also perform data profiling, validation and troubleshooting of data issues across multiple data sources. You also need to ensure data accuracy, consistency, and reliability through rigorous testing and validations. Key skills for the job role: you need to have at least 2 to 4 years of experience using SSIS for ETL design and implementation, familiarity with Azure Data Factory or other cloud-based ETL tools, experience with Power BI or other visualization BI tools, excellent problem-solving skills and a proactive attitude towards resolving challenges, and strong communication and interpersonal skills. And this is the link available in the description box of this video to apply. 10th and final job of the day is for the company name Grovetso, hiring for BI developer, experience 1 to 3 years, job locations in Mumbai, education bachelor's degree in computer science, data science, IT or related field. Salary would be 3 to 6 lakhs per annum estimated. Key responsibilities: understanding reports requirements and creating reports in Power BI, integrate data for various sources into Power BI, work on Power Query to prepare data for visualization, address any issues related to the performance of Power BI reports, implement data transformations and cleaning processes to ensure data quality, relationships, text queries, calculations and measures, and also participate in detailed Power BI testing. Key skills: hands-on experience working with DEX, complex calculations such as moving sum, dynamic tables, dynamic values, selected values, and cumulative aggregates. Hands-on experience in using and configuring Power BI visualizations. Hands-on experience working on Power BI themes and reusable templates. And experience in creating dashboards, volume reports, operating summaries, and presentation and graphs. And should have a strong experience in Power BI. And if you have these experience in and technical skills and job roles and responsibilities, you can apply for this job role by clicking on this link, and this link you'll be getting in the description box of this video. So friends, these are 10 jobs for this week for the role of Power BI developer and BI analyst. I hope you like this video. Do not forget to press the like button and share this video to a needy friend. And if you want to receive daily job notifications related to data science, data analytics, Power BI, SQL or Python developer role or business analytics domain, then you can subscribe this channel, follow my Instagram page and my Facebook page as well. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.